for a while, hanggang group chat lang ang trip na to. May mag-aaya, may magre-react, may magsasabing, sige, game ako. Tapos, back to work ulit. Back to our routines. The funny thing about being an adult is planning a trip sounds easy. But finding a day when everyone's free, hindi pala. May trabaho, may lakad, may mga bagay na kailangang unahin. So every time someone said, tara Baguio, it always became next time. Until one weekend, natuloy din. Honestly, nothing extraordinary happened. Naglalakad-lakad lang kami, kumain, nag-bike, nag-picture, the usual things. But maybe that's why it felt special. Because for a couple of days, nobody was in a hurry. Walang deadlines, walang meetings, walang kailangang habulin. Just good food, cool weather, and good company. One day we'll probably forget some of the places we visited. Pero maaalala namin yung trip na halos di matuloy at yung simpleng aya na naging totoo rin. Tara Baguio, and this time we actually went.